Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. I have one of my customers, George, stand next to me. This is going into a 1963 split window Corvette. George asked me to build him this beautiful motor for his car, and I'd like to ask George what his experience been with us.
It's really good, really positive. Every time I send you an email, you get back to me right away. If I call you, you call me right back right away. And one of the advantages I realized with you guys is in the past, I bought the GM Connect and Cruise motors only to throw a lot of stuff away. The oil pan didn't fit in the Corvette, the intake didn't fit in the Corvette. I wound up moving, the coil packs, and then I had to get a drive system anyway. And nowadays I can't get a GM Connect and Cruise. So I called you guys up, and the good thing is you run the car. And I got to tell you, I took the oil pans off of their motors, and it was interesting what was laying in the bottom of their new motors.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 of them I took
Wow.
off. Yeah, you would be so shocked what's laying in the bottom of the motor.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean, you know what it takes to get this in a Corvette. So, and the car's going to be all done. So yeah, I'm really impressed, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you. What did you think of the power?
Yeah, that's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. Sounds really good. Looks good. I even got it painted the color I wanted.
See, that's what we do here. You call us up, you want an engine a specific color. You're going to put it in that vehicle. We got to make sure that the pan works for that vehicle. All the accessories are going to work. And that's the key. Stevie's got these designed perfectly. Each and every engine that's going to fit in your vehicle. You don't have to worry about getting it home. This ain't going to work, that ain't going to work. Got the experience to tell you how it's done also. Hey, thank you. Thank you for
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Coming up on high idle, goes down to our target. Beautiful.